the Westin in Ottawa, and we've got room 1501, which is a junior suite. City view, so just inside the front door, and to the right is the living room. Coffee table and sofa, lamp. Ceiling stuff's kind of low. Let's see what this sofa's like. Looks a touch bit dirty. Looks like it could use a bit of cleaning. And a chair, an ottoman. Check out the view here a little bit. There's a city view. Down below us is Rideau Centre, which is probably the biggest shopping mall in downtown Ottawa. I think the view would probably be nicer if it was a nicer time of year. This is being done in mid-February. And so work desk, set up with the television. Some drawers here, that don't open. So you get 3 full plugs at the desk. Trying to see if there's any USB ports or anything. Not seeing any. So let's move over to little pantry. We've got a small coffee maker. They've left a couple of complimentary waters, and there's a loaf of bread we got while traveling along the way. It's from a place called the Big Apple in a couple drawers in a town called Colborne, Ontario, just off the 401, which is the main highway between Toronto and Montreal. Always a stop when we're going that direction. So we'll move into the bedroom. We get the typical Westin king bed. Nice comforter, usual pillow selection. And a small drawer bedside. A little chair and ottoman. Bedside clock, 2 plugs, 2 USB ports, which is helpful. Phone. Another view looking outside at the city. Another television in the bedroom. Looks like another sort of big ottoman bench underneath that you can pull out if you need extra seating. You got any guests or anything? So let's look. Little cabinet, ironing board, iron. Few hangers, but you'll see there's not a lot of space to hang stuff. Luggage rack in here. I'm kind of disappointed by the hanging space given the size of the suite. And if you're here on business, you're not going to be able to fit more than about two suits in there comfortably and a couple of shirts, and then okay, so there's a minibar fridge, empty, but you can keep your own stuff in there and cool that way. Into the bathroom. Shower. So it looks like a pretty big shower. What I actually like about this, I just found, is the water control is right by the door, and it's large, so you can actually get the water on without having something blast on you. And there's 2 robes. They feel okay. Sort of brushed cotton, typical Westin material. So we've also got a full bathtub. I'll put you down inside. The depth isn't too bad. Toilet out in the open. Dual sink and mirror. Let's check the linens. Towels are pretty nice. They do leave a lot of towels, so not gonna run out. Is always good. And then what do they have for the Westin Heavenly brand that they get done for all of their amenities? So pretty much standard Westin amenities. So that's a tour of Junior Suite at the Westin in Ottawa, Canada's capital. So hopefully you've enjoyed the tour. Please, hopefully you'll give the video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Look forward to having you back. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great day, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.